Okay, so what I have here is a 2012 Volvo S80, and I had to replace AC compressor due to accident. It was broken. The pulley didn't move, so right now we have access to belt and idle pulley. So I'm gonna replace idler pulley right here, and I'm gonna put new belt, and I already got the bracket and the tensioner, so I'm gonna remove tensioner right now. It is a 10mm bolt. So this is the type without power steering pump. So this one has already electric pump. So I'm gonna slide out the tensioner. Okay, so now I have to remove belt, old belt, as you can see. So I'm gonna just slide it out here. Okay, right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna also remove old pulley, idler pulley, right there. These break because they are plastic. So this car has 99,000 miles, so it's good to do it now. Okay, so I'm gonna try to remove old belt right there. So I don't know if I have to remove the bracket in the back. Looks like it. This is the first time I'm doing that. So I had to remove battery box for better access. So right now, since we don't have a power steering pump, it's much better. Okay, so okay, so right now I think I should be able to remove the belt or not. So looks like I have to remove that pulley. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna remove the bolts here from that pulley and remove the pulley. Okay, so I loosened bolts for this for that pulley. I'm gonna remove it because looks like there's no way to remove belt without removing that pulley. So pulley is out, belt is out. That's from the water pump. So it looks like right now I'm looking, I forgot I could replace a water pump, so that's what I'm gonna do probably. So I'm gonna get a new water pump and replace the water pump here too. So yeah, and then I'm gonna just put everything together. Okay, so here we have a water pump removed. So here's the old one. I'm gonna replace the o-ring and water pump. So it was straightforward, except two of these I had to use this torque range, so because there's no access to the bottom ones, but other than that it's okay, no problems. I'm gonna clean this now and install new pump, new o-ring and a new pulley, so everything is like it should be. So I replaced the water pump. Here it is, the new one. So right now I'm gonna install pulley, AC compressor, tensioner, and yeah, that would be all. So it's coming together. Okay, so I put everything together, put new belt also right there, AC compressor is in. So right now I have to put together the battery tray, battery, and a few other small things, but wasn't that bad. It's not something that people cannot do at home, so it can be done slowly, step by step. So I'm gonna put together now the rest.